y'all, it's Sharla from the Hartsville Homestead, here with you on the Creative Retreat Kids YouTube channel with this month's Faith Art Box, the June release, God Who Bends Down. Absolutely love the scripture focus and the topic and these wonderful gentle reminders that Laura has given us through our devotional study this month. And as I was praying about, what to prepare, what to share, and I was just out in the garden, doing morning chores and things like that. I had a gentle reminder of you're doing what the focus of the lesson is just to pray, just to commune with God, and just to pray your heart, but also listen and learn and grow. And so I thought that's what we're going to share this morning. We're going to do just a reminder entry. My takeaway from that is that our Father bends down. My God that I commune and talk and pray and fellowship with is listening. And it's just reminders. And we have several scripture reminders that she has highlighted for us. And I'm sure we could all make a list of times that we know exactly the moment that we were reassured that he is listening. And we know he listens every day, but sometimes we need these little hints and reminders. So we're just going to create a simple reflection entry today and start using this beautiful new kit. All right, we'll go into fast forward mode here for a bit because really this entry is quick and a simple one. When you have beautiful, well-curated creative kits like we do with these Faith Art boxes, the entries really are easy to pull together. I love how Danielle mixes so many great elements into these boxes each month. We'll have, creative like a stencil last month and washi tape this month, along with our variety of alphas and cardstock stickers and glossy stickers. It's wonderful to be able to pull all of these elements into new pages. To start my entry page today, though, I am creating a simple background using the powder blue ink and a damp sponge. I'm just wanting a soft, random color backdrop for the stamp title and stickers that I plan to use. So this sponge, by dampening it, it softens the color and makes it a little more fluid to move around. It's not a wet sponge. It's just very, very damp, like I wrung out all the water, just so that I could move that ink around a little bit. And then it would dry and be even softer in the background. I'm using the stamp set to create a title that reads, "My Father Bends Down to Listen." Now you may notice that the kit element for listen actually says listens, but I just masked off the S at the end of the word with a small piece of a Post-it note, so that when I'm actually inking the stamp, the ink will get on that Post-it note, and then I remove that mask before stamping. That way I can, get more phrases and use my stamps a little further. This bonsai green ink looks perfect with our dark green glossy sticker elements that I'm going to be using in a little bit too. And so I am pulling together these glossy sticker elements to create a little bouquet cluster. So you'll see me putting them off the edge of the page, and then I will trim off the little snippets and save those so that I can tuck them in behind other elements and just create a little bit larger, cluster or bouquet out of these same stickers. So I can kind of get a double image repeat by using that little bitty piece behind something else. So it looks like it's peeking out from the back like there's another sticker, but it's really just a tiny little trim. And so that way you can get a little bigger focal point, I guess I'm trying to say, out of just a few stickers. And so I am going to just put that around the bottom and then frame out my title with another large sticker before finishing it off with this beautiful butterfly. I knew I wanted to use that butterfly somewhere, so I was trying to create a place for her to land and just kind of sit somewhere. And then, of course, I always want to add in a couple of the wonky hearts. So I pull those off of that sheet and just put them on each side of my title here just to give a little extra pop of color and kind of bring it all together. I recorded my entry here in Psalm 17 in verses 6 through 9. It's a portion of a prayer of David, and it is one of the passages that Laura has highlighted for our study this month. I sure hope y'all join us this month for our creative study. in a God Who Bends Down. Both physical and digital kits are available in the shop, along with other creative goodies that you can get to add to your stash or create entries with. They've got the inks that I mentioned and used here, blending brushes, and all kinds of other things to add on. Y'all have a blessed day.